Look, Riley, look.
Oh, what is that? Look.
There's a wiper.
Come on.
I go in that.
You can go in that, yeah.
What's that?
I could go through.
We can go through the tunnel.
Go through the tunnel?
I could go through something.
Let's see.
I go through that.
Oh, careful.
I did it. Look at that.
What other stuff did Santa bring you? Come out of there. Let's see. What's in your stocking?
Oh, it looks like Santa put him down in front of the thing.
Over here.
Santa took him down because he filled them up too much.
What's in there?
It is too much. Too much.
There's too much in there.
I want it.
Look in there some more.
A jumpy boat.
You've got a jumpy rope.
Jumpy. And Santa Claus.
Yeah.
Jumpy.
Yep, makeups.
Over
We will. Keep getting your stuff. Look at all your stuff.
What's in your stocking?
Look in your stocking, babe.
Jumpy rope. Jumpy rope. Okay, get this jumpy rope out. Okay, get this jumpy rope out.
Keep pulling on it. It'll come out.
Okay.
Parker, we'll put those together later, okay?
I
We'll
did
take those
it.
Yaya and put those together at Yaya's. Whoa, Riley, what is that?
Jumpy rope.
A jumpy rope.
Do you have a jump rope in yours too, Parker? Yes, you do.
Whoa. We'll put that together at Yaya's. We'll take that over to Yaya's and put that together, okay?
Why?
Because they're fun crafts.
It's a craft.
That's what we'll do today.
What's that? What's it?
A sucker?
What's the red sucker?
Parker, you gotta pull that out really hard. Do what Riley's doing and pull and turn your stocking upside down and dump it out.
A flashlight!
A sucker.
Sucker!
Shoot suckers.
Yeah, we'll play with those today at Yaya's.
No. Oh. Turn this on.
Here.
Open it. I have to open it. My favorite game.
Your favorite game.
Yay! What else is in your stocking? There's a lot of stuff in there. Whoa, we got a flashlight over here.
Parker, is that a jump rope?
You gotta pull it hard.
Look at that, Mom. Look at how you do it.
You want help?
How you do it.
Come here.
There you go.
Right, there's still more in your stocking.
Look. See if there's anything else.
I can't turn this off.
You press the button.
Press the button, babe. And then it blinks. Press it again. Hard.
2 more.
Let me see. Oh, there you go.
2 more. I did it. Now I can't see you. Oh. I did it. Now let's see. Now I got it right. It's purple. It's purple. I can look at that.
You want to help?
Here's the good man.
Wait, I think you got it. There it is.
Where? Right there. Now turn that on. Like, open it. Open it. Right. Open your mouth.
Riley, it looks like Santa brought you makeup too. The blue one. Look. Santa brought you makeup.
What is that?
What is that?
Mike.
It's both of yours.
What is it?
I see the makeup.
Your makeup's over there, sweetie. In the blue thing.
Me?
What is this?
My makeup.
Was that being a doctor?
It's a doctor set.
Doctor says, I'm checking your eyes, Dad.
Huh? You're gonna check my eyes?
Yes.
Okay. Well, you gotta wait till Daddy opens it.
Open it. Open it.
Okay.
Daddy, check it.
Daddy, Parker's gonna give Daddy a checkup.